Okay, we have a Milltronics Vertical Machining Center, model RH20, serial number 12974. This machine was new in 2015 and we're gonna run her for you. Machine has a Milltronics control, 3-axis, conversational G-code programming, also rigid tapping macros, helical interpolation, rotation and scaling. We're running right now. It's a Cat 40 spindle that goes up to 8,000 RPM. We're running at 2,000. Machine is nice and quiet. It's original paint. 4,000. Original paint, telescopic weight covers for the Y-axis, ball screw cover for the Z, and you have 6,000 RPM. You also have a 24 automatic tool changer ATC. We're going to simulate a tool change. Okay. Another one. All right, we're going to run the axes. That's your Z axis. You have 23 inches of Z travel, 20 of Y, and 40 of X. And your table size is a nice 16 by 54 T-slotted table. That's your X-axis travel. And you have 40. And that's your Y. That is your Y, 23. So you have 20 of Y. 40X, 20Y, 23 is Z. Hey, thank you for watching our video.